Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Password Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down right away to access Google section. Then tap on your current Google account if you have more than one, and set up the right one by tapping on it. When you are finished, click on Autofill, then Autofill with Google, and blue sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, Google Password Manager was successfully disabled. But you can always enable it by tapping on the same now gray sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!